Ako po si Jocelyn Monsanto, nanay po ni Christine K. Monsanto, alias Inday po. Isa po siyang leukemia warrior. December 28 hanggang itong February po, lumaki po yung mukha niya. Karoon siya ng komplikasyon doon. Nagdadasal na po ako noon dahil panay sugod na po kami sa PCMC. Napakahirap po kasi minsan punuan, walang bakante po sa ward at saka sa ER. Natutulog na lang kami sa upuan. Nag-aantay po kami magdamag. Kinabukasan bago pa po kami ma-entertain ng doktor ng PCMC. Minsan hindi kami na-admit. Pag wala po talagang bakante sa ER at saka sa ward, wala po talaga kami magagawa. Muuwi na lang po kami.
We're looking at pediatric oncology as a means of stopping or preventing disease. You're in the developmental stages and then you're sick.
Because we saw a need there in the Philippines of children with cancer who had to abandon treatment because of the cost. The dropout rate is 80 and 95% for families who find out their children have cancer.
Having a pediatric oncology unit amidst all of the social determinants of health would really be a plus. Because it's not as if every day you have a pediatric oncology unit in a hospital or a pediatric hospital or even a missionary hospital such as Mary Johnson Hospital.
I began my role as the Executive Director of Adonai's Mercy House, and my initial responsibilities then was to secure a temporary residence. After explaining our mission and the need for a suitable space, Dr. Glenn generously offered a vacant ward, proposing a collaborative partnership.
This would be a very good fit for the mission and vision of promoting health holistically.
Aligned with the core values, Mary Johnston Hospital firmly believes in the mission of Adonai Housing in its quest to establish patient care for pediatric patients.
People have come and partnered with us, and it's individuals like this who have come together from all over the world to make this dream really come true and become a reality.
And now we have started renovating the oncology ward, and with God's help, we will begin soon our services in this hospital in 2 months' time.
The renovation of this place, I feel like God really just dropped it on our lap. Okay, this is it.
And whatever this room or Tanzania's Mercy House will fulfill in the lives of each child with cancer or water sick.
Sana kung noon pa o mas bago nawala si Inday, maisama sana doon. At least papano magiging okay sana siya.
Maraming thank you, and kasi simula una na nakilala namin sila, na pumasok sila sa buhay ko, and marami silang nabigay and nagawang mga tulong and everything.
Marami pa po silang matulungan na kagaya namin. Lalo na po siya cancer survivor na po. Ano na po siya, 10 years na po siyang cancer survivor. Sana po marami po silang matulungan.
Papasalamat po ako na kahit papano sa tulong po ng Mercy Adonai's House po, gumaan po yung pakiramdam namin na mag-asawa dahil na susuklian po nila yung financial assistance para sa kakulangan po namin. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.